everyone, welcome back to our 30-day vocabulary series. So this is Harsha and you are watching Minute to Fluent with Harsha. So today is day 10 and today I am going to share you a word that we all feel sometimes when we don't fully trust something. And also I'll give you some easy trick to remember this word easily. Plus, if you forget this word somehow, so I'll share some alternatives as well you can use instead. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So today's word of the day is skeptical. Yes, we use skeptical as an adjective. Now let's understand the meaning. Skeptical means not easily believing something or having doubts about it. इन हिंदी स्केप्टिकल का मतलब होता है किसी बात पर तुरंत विश्वास न करना या उस पर डाउट होना. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट सम सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दिस वर्ड. डाउटफुल, अनसर्टेन एंड सस्पिशियस. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस वर्ड मोर विथ सम एग्जांपल्स. At first, I was skeptical about my English speaking skills, but with practice, I improved. Don't be skeptical about your potential. Trust yourself. Now here comes an easy way to remember this word. Now let's see. Imagine someone tells you something unbelievable and you react like, really? Are you sure? So this feeling, this doubt is called being skeptical. So there is a very simple trick. Doubt feeling, it means skeptical. Now I am going to share some alternatives if you forget this word somehow, so you can use these alternatives. I am not buying it. It sounds fishy. Doubt someone. So these are the alternatives you can use. So I hope you like this trick and these alternatives as well. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. So that's all for today. Bye bye. See you. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful word in our 30-day vocabulary series. Bye bye.